Hi. My name is Dark Pikachu. And today I will pull the fire alarm. So here I go. Uh-oh. I got to get out of here.
Now for some lights off.
Oh no. It's my teacher and principal.
Dark Pikachu. How dare you pull the fire alarm at school? You know that we take them very seriously. That's it, you are suspended for 33 weeks. Go home now while I call Pikachu. Hello. Is this Pikachu? Good. Your son Dark Pikachu pulled the fire alarm at school. Can you ground him? Okay. Thanks. Goodbye.
Oh my god. Dark Pikachu. I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm at school and got suspended for 33 weeks. You know they take fire drills very seriously. That's it, you are grounded for 146 months. Go to your room now, or else I will use my powers on you.
What?